Hi, Casey Healy, Director here at Century 21 Newcastle. Back with you for our Monday wrap, keeping Newcastle investors up to date on what's happening in the current rental market, current trends, inquiry levels, how to maximise your return on your investment. I am flying solo today. Nicole's out of the office most of the day. She's got 4 back-to-back appraisals. So you've got me. What's happened over the last 7 days? We've received 360 tenant inquiries. Inspections scheduled were 13. Tenants registered to inspect at those inspections were 107. From that, we received 88 applications and 4 properties were leased. Current stock levels, we have a little bit more for lease this week. We've got 7 properties currently being marketed for lease. 2 of which of those are brand new builds at Head and Greeter in the new Head and Greeter estate there. 4-bed, 2-bath, 2-car, really nice family homes. We should have handover of those towards late this week, if not early next week. And for those new project investment, purpose-built investment properties, we'll attend their PCI and we do take handover on behalf of the owner. So we understand that builder's process, when to start marketing and when to take handover and how to advertise to secure a tenant ready to move in once we do have handover from the builder. This week, you may or may not have seen the new blog. Still going down that line of being prepared for end of financial year. And it's what's the difference between a repair and an improvement, and how does that then come into play with depreciation and claiming those items in your tax return? So that one's on our website. Head to c21novocastrian.com.au to read that. Also, this month saw the end of the Homebuilders grant that was available. The results are in how that has then stipulated the building sector. New home commencements was up 26.6%, so it's really good numbers. In the December quarter, there were 33,761 new home commencements, and we're expecting the peak of that to be somewhere in the mid-2021 to really know the final numbers. But looks like the grant has stimulated the building sector in the residential space, which is great news. Rodents, petrified of mice, rats. So this isn't a fun one for me. We are seeing that there are travelling down. I've got friends in other agencies up Singleton, Scone, Muswellbrook Way that have had a plague of mice and rat. Now they're coming down and it's happening all because we've had the wettest summer in many years. So I spoke to East Coast Pest Control, Aaron and Blake. Thanks guys, great pest company that help us out here. How can we prevent the rodents, and what can we do to minimise the risk and the infestation? We need to clear any vegetation that's close to the house. We need to make sure there's no food sources left around and empty the bins daily. I was speaking to my electrician. He'd actually seen, and it can cause a fire risk, he'd seen where rodents had actually eaten out the wiring to a hot water system. And you can actually see their teeth marks in the photo that he shared with me. So they can cause a lot of damage. They can eat out wiring, take out appliances. So we do have to be very careful of what's happening and just be aware, be super clean. If we do need to go down that baiting route, it's about $154 for a 4-bedroom home. It'll bait the ceilings, wall cavities, but there's no it's cleanliness to prevent, basically. That's all I've got for you on this Monday wrap. If we can be of any help, please don't hesitate to reach out. I'm Casey Healy, Director here at Century 21. I look forward to talking with you next week.